Hi, I'm Marlon, and today's video is a CB Gitty do-it-yourself box amplifier kit. What I'll do in this video is I'll show you how I built it, and then at the end I'll show you what it sounds like. Okay, so keep watching.
Here is the unboxing and overview of the CB Gitty do-it-yourself box amplifier kit. The wooden box was assembled and glued using wood glue. The wooden box was stained with 3 coats of Colonial maple stain. Three coats of TRU-OIL finish were applied to the wooden box. The wires were soldered into place, red wires to positive terminals and black wires to negative terminals. The speaker grill and the speaker were installed using 4 nuts and screws. The 2.5 watt ARTEC amp circuit board and leads were installed. The input jack was installed. The LED was installed and a drop of wood glue was applied to it. The battery wires were cut and then soldered to the battery box. The battery box was then screwed into place. The box handle was fastened to the top of the box using 2 screws. The volume knob was installed. The amplifier was tested using an electric guitar, and then the backplate was placed but not glued to the back of the amplifier. This is what the final project looks like.
Okay, this is what the amplifier sounds like. as you can see, it's a very simple project. Requires just some soldering, but does not require any drilling or having to use a Dremel tool. And it makes a good portable practice amp. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.